Welcome back to another tutorial about Photoshop Mix. I want to talk about blend modes. And in this case, we're going to step away from our layers with the square and circle and bring in some actual images. How exciting. So let us grab, we'll grab the city skyline here. And I'm going to tap on the plus button to go get a separate image that I actually have hiding in a different part of my camera roll. Let's try this one. Okay, sure, resize canvas. All right, so this one's kind of interesting. Let's see what we get out of it. So I've got two layers. I've got my sparkly water bottle view on top. I'm going to drag this and just do a little bit of resizing here so that I'm using pinch to zoom this out. I want it to cover the whole skyscraper. I'll crop it down later. Okay, so I am curious now just about straight up blend mode. So blend mode, bottom menu bar, the two overlapping circles, we'll tap blend mode, and I'm going to bring my opacity down just about to 50%, just so you can see what's happening. Your mileage may vary depending on what settings and effects you want. So here we go, friends. Darken, multiply, lighten. I know you can do this yourself, but hey, I'm making a tutorial. Ooh, I like that difference one for this. Figure luminosity would be cool. And then color. And of course, changing the opacity is going to make significant changes on what you are getting. I've noticed my go-to is often darken or screen. And these do mimic effects that we are used to seeing in our friend Photoshop. I'm not going to keep any of these changes though. I'm just going to tap on the X, take me back to my layers panel. That is the basics of blending two images together. Now you can also get there by tapping on the top layer and choosing a blend mode. The challenge I have with this particular view is that I can't really see what's happening on the screen. So I'm not a fan of that. I am a fan, however, of going down to blend mode on the bottom and working from there. So there you go. That is blend mode in Adobe Photoshop Mix. Thanks for watching.